Yes, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. The name is Asimorigan Patrick, and in today's video, I'm here to take you through Google Translate. Yes, Google Translate is basically uh, an application of Google that allows us to be able to interpret text, images, or even documents, or even websites that are in foreign languages, and then convert them into language that we are able to understand, language that we are well conversant with. So this is our Google Translate page, and then we have 4 tabs here in the left corner. We have the text, images, documents, websites. Then under text, here we are basically dealing with text from the word itself, text. So here we can translate text from one language to another. So maybe I want to translate I love you is in English, and then maybe I want to translate it into Spanish. So in Spanish it is generated as te amo, and maybe I'm not interested in Spanish. You can click on this arrow, on this drop down arrow, and then you look for a couple of more languages that you could be interested in. So we have a couple of languages here. We have so many languages depending on the language that you're interested in. Maybe you want it in French. Yes, let us look for French. French is here. Maybe you want it in French. They translate it in French for you. Maybe we have so maybe Regan is hot, so we want it translated into, this is French. Then we can also translate it into any other language, whatever language you're interested in, you can find it here. Basically it has the common languages. There are some few languages that may not be here, the likes of Luganda is not here. So the common languages can be found here. Let me see. Even Kiswahili is not here. So basically it has, maybe you want to convert it to Chinese. You tap Chinese and you can see that it has been converted to Chinese immediately. So it is quite an interesting application and very helpful. Then maybe you have an image that is embedded into a language that is not understandable, so you can drag and drop that image here, or you could cut that image from wherever it is, then you come and paste it here, and then you translate it. So here they're saying paste it from clipboard or browse your files. So maybe you cut it and then it was pasted to your clipboard, so you can paste it from your clipboard and then you're able to translate it. Then maybe you have a document that you want to translate. Yes, you come and browse your files, click on browse your files, so you're able to navigate through your files and look for that document that you want to translate, and then you convert it from the language that you're not familiar with into a more simpler language that you will be able to understand. Then we also have a websites tab. So here maybe you've been navigating across the web and then you came across a website that is in a language you're not able to understand. What you do, don't stress yourself out, just copy the URL of that website, you come and post it here, and then you click on this arrow to translate the entire website, and that website will be translated for you immediately without any difficulty. So that is basically it for Google Translate. In case you have any text, any image, any document, any website that needs translating, do not stress yourself out, don't beat yourself hard, just look out to Google applications and locate Google Translate, and it will be able to assist you accordingly. Yes, thank you so much for viewing. I remain yours, Asimorigan Patrick. Stay tuned for the next video. Do not forget to like, subscribe and comment.